Hi, do you have plans on remodeling your home in the new year and you're curious on where you should spend your money to get the most bang for your buck? Well, today I would like to share four areas in your home that I feel would get you the best return on your money. The first one is always the kitchen, whether it could be replacing your appliances, the countertops, light fixtures, you name it. Kitchen is always safe to do those things as far as getting your money back, and if not more. And then, of course, bathrooms, that could be tiling the shower, replacing a vanity, and again, new lighting fixtures. Lighting fixtures are always huge throughout the whole home. Now, do you have an unfinished basement? If you're able to and have the funds, finishing out that unfinished basement into living space is not only going to increase your square footage, which is going to get you a higher listing price, but it's also going to accommodate you if you have a larger family and you're starting to need more space. Or again, it's going to have the more square footage, so it's going to appeal to buyers that need that space. And the last one, you cannot go wrong with curb appeal, whether it's painting the mailbox, replacing the front door, or maybe it's just even replacing the lock and the handle on the front door, and good old landscaping. Freshen up the mulch, put in some new plants, and bam, you got a fresh looking exterior. And if you do have the budget for it, maybe replacing the siding. Anyways, if you have any other questions or like, Angie, what do you think I should do in my home to update it a little bit? Please reach out to me. I would love to help you with any questions that you have regarding any remodeling projects that you plan on doing in 2024. I'll talk to you soon.